Hi, brother. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. Thank you so much for connecting me, bro. Yesterday I just sent a message to you.
Mm-hmm.
You are responding immediately.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
so happy for that.
Thank you. My pleasure, bro. So,
Yeah.
you're from, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, sure, bro. Yeah, my name is Ravi Shankar, and I was born and raised in Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm staying in Hyderabad, and right now I've been working in IT industries. It's been quite 2.5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. When I get a time, I used to talk with people because enhance my communication purpose. I good at technically, but communicationally, sometimes I'm lacking because
Mm-hmm.
of that reason.
Yeah.
I just when I get a time, I used to talk with people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all about me, bro. Yeah.
Good. You can also talk about your hobbies, what do you do in a free time or something.
Yeah, yeah. When I get a free time, I just listening some broadcasting this related and next coming to mostly a film lover. Watching movies.
Okay.
When I get a weekend, I just go to the watch. Coming to the way which is a new movie coming to this
Mm-hmm.
every weekend. I just go and watching that movie. I feel like just relax at that moment, enjoy that
Yeah,
movie.
you're right.
And yeah, that's all about me, bro. You are also from Andhra Pradesh, right?
I'm also from Andhra Pradesh. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, if you don't mind, could you introduce yourself also?
Yeah,
It's better to.
sure, sure, definitely. I am from Anantapur district now. It's been bifurcated into Satyasai district and Anantapur. Now my place
Okay.
comes under Satasai district. You must be aware of
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sai Baba, Puttaparthi Sai Baba.
Yeah, yes, yes. I heard about
Mm.
a lot of things.
Yeah, yeah, from that locality. Uh, yeah, I did my schooling, college, university, degree, everything in Anantapur itself. I
Okay.
worked in different sectors like being a translator, French and English, and then a soft skill trainer, and then working with the school, then a university. Now,
Mm.
currently, I work with a BPO sector, I mean, BPO industry as a
Oh,
communication trainer. That's how my journey is going. Currently, I stay in Hyderabad.
okay. Or also okay.
Yeah, to talk about my hobbies, even I love reading books, books, listening to music, watching movies, and sometimes I prefer not often, but rarely I go out with my friends and I chill out. That's how I do my stuff during the weekends, especially. In the meantime, I also like prefer making videos like whenever I get
Okay.
request from people, like how we are
Yes.
connecting now. And yeah,
Okay.
that's how my hobbies and other stuff.
Mhm. Okay. Right now you are also working on in BPO
I
or some
yes,
other people.
BPO. It's a
Yeah.
BPO. It's an international BPO.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
have
Okay.
chat, email, and voice process where we have to help agents uh, to
Okay.
overcome their communication skills and how to interact with customers in an effective way, be it a chat, email, or
Okay.
voice, something like that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's a good to hear, bro. Yeah, in BPO, it's been quite English very much
Hmm.
high intense people, so they selected mostly.
Yeah, yeah.
in- intermediate that kind of level, people are not able to get
Hmm.
that interview, crack that
Even
interview.
intermediate candidates can join, but the only the thing is they need to have some expertise in the particular area. For example, if you're applying for any chat process, if you have to be good at written communication, be it sentence
Okay.
formation, grammar, or something. If you want to
Okay.
work in voice process, you have to be really good at spoken, uh,
Okay. Okay.
like your voice modulations, intonations, tonality, all these things, and fluency
Okay.
especially. So these things will be checked. And if you want to
Okay.
work in email, obviously it's quite similar from chat to email, but some we have etiquette like chat etiquette, email etiquette, something. You have to follow the rules. It's quite like
Okay.
knowing grammar and other stuff. So then they can manage also even intermediate candidates, those who have done their.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, how long have you been working in this field, bro? I mean,
Mm. It's been 2 years and now it's seventh month with
okay.
same organization. It's my first IT industry. Before as I mentioned in my intro, I worked with
Yeah.
school and university, and now it's an IT organization.
Yeah. Okay. Your entire graduation is done in everything in Anantapur or some other place? I mean, you are doing.
Anantapur only, Anantapur. All everything
Okay.
in government organizations like schools and other stuff.
Mm.
And up until my graduation, I did in everything in my in Telugu medium, and then that's when I had
Okay.
to do my MA in English, and from then my English journey started. My actual
Okay.
English journey started. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. I mean, when did you realize you just enhance my communication?
See, I don't know. I used to be really scared with English and mathematics subjects. I'm
Okay.
still scared with mathematics, but with English, I don't feel like I mastered something it. But I still want to learn. But uh, it happened when I was in my second year graduation, and
Okay.
I also had faced a few incidences and some humiliations as well because of English. And that's when
Okay.
I actually felt, okay, it's going to be it's going to play a very important role in future, so let's have some attention towards it. That's when I actually began, paying some attention, learning very basics, reading books from
Okay.
people, and that's how it actually happened. And when I learned French, that's when I had to have a lot of exposure speaking with different visitors. It was an NGO where I did my French diploma.
Yeah.
As it
Yeah.
was an NGO, a lot of people used to come and interact with us. So I used to utilize that opportunity to the fullest, and that's when I interacted in English rather than French. And some of my classmates they used to interact in French, and I used to focus mostly on English, and that's why I'm surviving with the help of English now.
Okay, nice, nice, bro.
Hmm.
On day-to-day life, what kind of activities do for, communication
I'll tell you
enhance
one
for
thing.
you?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
understood the point. I'll tell you one thing. I know a couple of people, right? Some people I could say, who are
yeah,
good at technical knowledge.
yes, yes,
And in terms of communication, even I feel like why these people are, very expertise in their particular area. In terms of communication, why, it's not your problem.
yeah,
Even there is a scientific reason, okay? We have two brains, right? So
yes, yes,
one brain functions towards something else, and another brain something, Uh, one is like for technicality, another one is for language and communication. Since
yes, yes,
some people are good at technical knowledge and other stuff, I don't think that that's
yeah,
when they lack it unless you try to put some efforts. I'm sure that they put efforts, but it has to come right from within.
yes, yes, yes.
That is also one of the reasons, even though you're trying. So I could say it's you can overcome it, but since you ask like how to interact and how to enhance the communication skills, it just speaking, bro, not just
Of
practicing
course,
grammar, writing stuff, doing quizzes and
yes, yes.
you just have to practice. That's it. There
Okay,
is
okay.
no key for it,
Mhm.
no any tips or
Okay.
tricks for it.
Yeah, yeah. I'm also doing. When I get time, I just use some other English apps like PAC Fluency and Peer apps. Some other apps. I just randomly talking with people. I just whatever you want. It was
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
just to go at least 30 minutes. I just spend time to talking with people.
Mm-hmm.
Later, I just when I get a time, I just used to on like TED Talks broadcast, like our
Yeah.
Telugu actors are also speaking from their how they achieve their life. I mean, to become so more successful from their
Mm.
childhood to now. That
Yeah.
videos are also listening more time. I choose
Hmm.
one video, but at
Hmm.
least I should repeatedly listening at least one three
Hmm.
4 days.
Yeah.
That conscious, yeah, some words is memorable consciousness mind that time. Yeah,
Hmm.
sometimes also doing shorting. I mean, like
Yeah.
I choose one topic and speaking
Mm-hmm.
with the mouth function.
Mm-hmm.
Those are kind of, I mean, those really helpful
Mm-hmm.
me for,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I mean, I'm yeah, yeah, as you said, yeah, I'm good at it technically, but yeah, when I
Yeah.
get a time, yeah, just speaking with I mean, my teammates also, and randomly, okay. I mean, when I get, I mean, we are clients only US people mostly. They are coming with,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, particular. I mean, we are mostly handling some tickets. I mean, like they are
Mm-hmm.
suppose the user is facing some kind of issues.
Mm-hmm.
We are just connect with user and try to resolve that issue. We just explain everything on clearly onto that.
Mm-hmm.
That time, we just their fluence was quite high. Yeah,
Yeah.
just one kind of fluence we have. Indian's fluence was, right, how it is.
So
Yeah,
what's the
that
process that
time.
you're working in? Is it a chat or a like voice that how
No,
do you assist customers?
yeah, I mean just through, I mean, interact with through Teams, Microsoft Teams, and
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I mean, we are just connecting with user. I just share that his screen and show that
Hmm.
what is the exact issue he is facing, and just we troubleshooting that issue.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Behind before that issue, we just checked our side, and then after we can realize, it's not our side. It's the
Hmm.
problem from user side. Just connect with and
Yeah.
randomly giving that
Hmm.
solution for that. That way
Got it.
we can troubleshoot the issue. Yeah, this is the way I have to do on daily basis. And
Got it. So one thing what you can do is so whenever you have free time, like I know that
yeah,
you're doing your practicing, pick up a
yeah,
topic, just go on speaking, and there is one more activity, speaking aloud. You try to speak
okay,
aloud. That's when you can improve your fluency, and the voice modulations can be
mm,
fixed, because when you speak slower or something, or maybe when you feel shy or something, then you can't express properly, right? Whatever you
yes,
have inside. So when you are alone, pick up a topic, go on speaking, speak aloud, and that's when fluency, your voice modulations, everything will especially the pronunciation. Make
yes,
mistakes,
yes,
nothing will happen. Don't feel shy, don't feel like, okay,
yeah, yeah,
what if I make mistakes, what would people feel, something. Keep it all these things aside, and then you just try to focus what you want. So
sure,
you have a
sure,
job, you have a good life, you have a good
yes,
body,
yes,
you look
yeah,
good,
yeah,
and everything is good. But only thing is you are lacking that confidence in terms of speaking. If you work on it,
yes,
I'm sure within a few months, I could say, you will see a drastic change within yourself. That's what the you know
mm,
thing that anybody can follow.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Hmm.
Thanks, thanks for your guide.
No problem.
Definitely, bro. I
Even
can do
I
it.
do the same thing till now. I mean, even when I want to work on something, when I want to speak something on any random topic, that's what I do before I actually speak. I just rehearse in my mind sometimes, and if people are not around, if I'm walking to office, I pick up a topic, I just speak to myself. People think like, what this fellow is doing. Some of my colleagues, they ask me, what are you doing? You just keep speaking. It improves my confidence, my uh,
Okay.
base whenever I want to express something. Unless and until we
Yes, yes,
rehearse it, right? For example, you want to
yes,
dance something on a dais or something stage. What do we do? We try to rehearse, right? The same way we
yeah,
try to
before,
practice and rehearse. That's when we get the confidence.
yes, yes, sure, bro.
Even you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
do it.
yeah, definitely, bro. I can do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks for
Great.
your suggestion.
No problem, bro. And it's great connecting with you. Anything else you would like to know or want to share?
No, bro, everything's fine. Uh, Thank you, bro. Thank you so much for connecting me. It's nice to
Yeah.
talking with you.
Yeah, me too. Thank you very much for joining, bro. We'll see you then. Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
right. Bye.